In this video, we're going to discuss the highlighting feature that we've been seeing cropping up on a number of different behaviors here lately. It's actually being applied to the kinds of behaviors you would use to interact with objects, like collectible objects, for example. So in this demonstration, what I've decided to do is use the weapon behavior, the ammo behavior, and the health behavior as examples, but that's not the only ones that it applies to. It's really anywhere you see this feature as an option, this is what that is. So I've kind of promised you I'd be making this video soon, and I wanted to deliver that promise to you. So without further ado, let's just get into it. So the weapon I've got set up as an outline. So when I get over here and I cursor over it, you see it creates this little white outline all the way around it. And that just gives the player a visual cue that this is something that they can interact with, especially in like a dark room where you're kind of searching around for something. Might be very helpful that they cursor over it and say, oh, what's this? And they get, some additional feedback other than just the prompt text, especially if you're not using a prompt text. So that's one example of what it might look like. There's also one that's kind of more like a highlight. So the smaller object, but when I cursor over it, you can see it highlights kind of a green glow to it. And so that's the other version of it. You can select whichever one makes sense for your scene or whichever one makes the item more visible. And then I want to show you one other variation of this, which is a little bit different. This particular item has an emissive texture to it. And when that's a part of the object, then it kind of makes the emissive part of the object glow instead of the whole thing. So this one's similar to the ammo. It's the same setup, except that when I cursor over it, it's just the emissive that glows. These other two objects don't have emissive, so it's just making the whole object glow. So let me show you the drop down options in the behavior. I'm just going to choose this as an example, but it really, like I said, it's showing up in a lot of different ones, so you'll see it. It's called item highlight. And then, like I said, in this case, I've selected outline. You can also use shape, that's that green glow. And that would be the same as like on here. You get shape and you get that glow effect, but it's only glowing the emissive. Okay. But you'll find that on a lot of different ones, or you can say none and then it won't do anything at all. But that one feature, like I said, is cropping up in a whole bunch of different areas. And I've been kind of glossing over it here lately simply because I wanted to make sure that I did it justice and I understood it fully so I could describe it to you. But that's it. That's the thing I wanted to show you today. If you enjoy the video or if you learned anything new, please be sure to click the like button down below. It helps me out. If you're new here or if you just haven't subscribed yet, would love to have you stick around. Love to grow the channel even bigger. And lastly, if you'd like a notification for whenever new videos are posted, just click the bell icon and that'll let you know whenever a new video is ready for you. But that's it. Kind of a short one today. Thanks for watching all the way through. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Hey, don't forget there's a written guide for every behavior, including ones I haven't yet covered on this channel. And if you want to learn some more, why don't you check out this video next.